Hello viewers, for DIYers here with another video for everyone. It's that time of the year again. I'll be going over my top 7 Christmas gift ideas for this year along with a giveaway. Those details will be towards the end of the video. All products can be purchased from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to these products will be included in the video description. Starting out with gift idea number 1. Here I have a magnetic hex bit holders from OEMTools, model number 24142. These come as a pack of 4, all color coded. These are able to hold up to 36 hex bits along with 1 hex bit adapter. The magnet on the rear allows for it to be mounted to any ferrous surface. They measure 7 inches by 1¼ inches by 7/8 of an inch. Included is red, blue, black, and green. They are also made of a high quality grade polypropylene, ensuring for a long life, can be easily kept clean, and are very durable. Great for maximizing one's organization while keeping track of those tools, reducing the chance of any of them getting lost. Moving on to gift idea number 2. Further promoting tool organization in one's workspace, here's this portable magnetic socket organizer by OEMTools, model number 23127. It comes as a set of 3, which includes 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 inch. Has a low profile design where it can be easily stored in the drawers, or use the strong magnets on the rear to attach it to the side of a toolbox. Made to carry both shallow and deep sockets, the magnets keep all the sockets in place, easy to keep clean, and can be easily carried to your workspace. Gift idea number 3. Next is this combination workshop seat and stepping stool, model number 24904. Thick padding making it a comfortable seat covered with a vinyl, which provides an easy to keep clean surface. 5 casters to maximize stability when sitting on the stool and leaning over working on something. Has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, adjustable round foot for uneven surfaces on the stepping stool portion, and have the typical black and green color scheme for OEMTools. Gift idea number 4. Does the person you're buying gifts for need extra tool storage? Well, I have that covered too. A smaller option while being portable, this is a 3-drawer toolbox with storage on the top as well. Model number 24675. It has a textured powder-coated surface, ensuring a durable exterior finish, includes EVA drawer liners, has drawer locks with a top lid when closed, dual locking drawers, and each drawer has a 33-pound weight limit capacity. The overall dimensions of this toolbox is 20 inches by 9.5 inches by 11 inches. Next is gift idea number 5. OEMTools model number 24892. This is a 12-inch tilting workspace fan. Compact design, has 3 speeds with a maximum CFM of 1450. Can be tilted up or down. 1/60th horsepower motor, 1300 RPM fan speed, 57 decibel sound rating, and a 48 watt motor. This is great for keeping one cool during those hot days, help moving air around in a workspace for heating, or even improve dry time in wet areas such as vehicle detailing. Gift idea number 6. Next I have this blow mold creeper, model number 24977. This includes a cushion headrest, is 36 inches in length, 17 inches in width, made with HDPE plastic, molded to one's body shape maximizing comfort, lightweight, 350-pound maximum capacity, and 6 3-inch swivel casters for maximum stability. This will make anyone's work easier when having to go under objects or a vehicle. Not to mention it also keeps them off the cold concrete floor. And last but not least, gift idea number 7. Finally is this rechargeable multi-use lithium-ion work light, model number 25997. Rated at 600 lumens with 3 brightness settings, also includes a strobe and SOS functions. When on low, it can last for up to 54 hours before needing to be recharged. Has a 8800 mAh lithium-ion battery which can hold a charge for 6 months, strong magnets on the rear to attach to any ferrous surface, includes a charging cable, and does have a total length of 13.4 inches. This is a must-have for anyone's toolbox. As for the giveaway, 2 people will be picked 1 week from today, and they will receive this multi-function rechargeable light. In order to enter, you must be located within the US and be a subscriber. Follow the link in the video description for those various ways to enter. Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. If you have any gift ideas, please feel free to share those in the comments below. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe if you're not already. Thank you for watching.